medyo nagkaroon ng kaguluhan yung arrogant na bastos daw kayo?
Hindi naman, those are the figures of the youth. I could not answer properly because nagsasalita din sila lahat. Vague masyado. And nag-chopper pa ako. And I had this, yung trap air na ayaw matanggal.
Well, sir, the student apparently was bullied by your supporters online.
I cannot do anything about that.
So
But I would like to call on my supporters that, you know, this is a free country. And we respect each other's opinion. And I always say, if you disagree, that I may not agree by what you said or you say, but I will defend your right to say it. That's how it should be. So yung mga supporters ko, siguro over-enthusiastic. Or come to a point that I cannot do no wrong. Alam mo, yung ano na yun, unlike the other sa mga ibang venue, medyo klaro, maingay ang mga estudyante. They were also talking at the same time. So I could not hear vague masyado.
Pero sir, naramdaman niyo po ba na na-disrespect kayo or offended?
I was once a student, ganun talaga estudyante.
So may mga
We do
panawagan.
not expect them to be all people na prim and proper. Those are the ways of youth, and I can understand.
So may
Masanay ako ng ganun.
May panawagan na po from your spokesperson for decency and compassion na wag naman daw i-cyberbully yung mga critics ninyo at wag mag-issue ng death threats.
Correct. I would say the same thing. Na, ano naman, I said, you have to concede a certain degree of understanding.
At this moment in time, what will you tell them?
Relax and total everything's going well. And sa survey, dikit-dikit naman kami. So there's nothing really to be excited about.